Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to today's video. So I need to catch you guys up on a couple of things that are going to be happening in the month of May. A bunch of things are happening, and you guys also have requested that I show you guys how to do my nails. I made whipped coffee, like the TikTok one. This is my third day in a row making it. So good. First up, we need nail polish remover. So I am just gonna quickly off camera remove this because I'm sure you guys all know how to do that, and you probably don't want to see me remove my nail polish. In 3, 2, 1. These are what my nails look like bare. Hopefully it focuses. This coffee is stressing me. We're gonna move this. Put the coffee on the floor. Next up, I like to go in with this little kit that I purchased on Amazon. So it has like a little cuticle kind of pusher and then a little clipper as well. So basically what I do is literally just grab this and just push. You gently just push them down a little bit, not crazy or you will hurt yourself, obviously. Don't do that. I don't really use this side. Mostly just use this side to push them down. I'm actually going to go in and clip it now. So all the little things that you push, you just want to clip it. Don't clip too close to your skin. You will feel it. You don't want to go crazy. It will hurt. Just be careful with this. And also, I know a lot of people say you're not supposed to cut your cuticles, but I do, and that's just what I've been doing. So I'm gonna cut mine, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. Anyways, like I was saying, for the month of May, I am actually going to be having a giveaway every single week for the entire month, just as a thank you for all the support you guys have been showing me and for helping me grow so much here on YouTube. And I'm just super thankful for you guys. And yeah, I just wanted to make the month of May kind of just special, so I just wanted to share that with you guys as well. I'm doing gift cards for you guys, that way you can kind of just pick out what you guys want. So weird doing my nails in such like a quiet setting. I usually have videos playing or like I'm on the phone with my boyfriend. Like, it's so weird being in silence, just sitting on my floor in my room doing my nails. Done with the cuticle cutting. Next up, we are gonna file our nails. So I like to just file them in a square. Also, I'm not a professional, so this is just how I do my nails. Then we go in with our buffer, and we're just gonna buff out the top of the nail and then along the edges as well. Don't over buff or else your nails are gonna get super thin and you don't want that. So I just really buff super quickly, nothing crazy. Coffee break. So good. So then your nails are gonna be looking like this, very like dusty even. So I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Next up, I have a bunch of products, new ones that I haven't used before and a bunch of like old ones that I absolutely love. So I'm just gonna unbox these ones. I went to the store because I ran out of some stuff and I was looking for my usual ones, but they didn't have it. So we're gonna test out this one. This is the Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil. I have never used a nail or cuticle oil, but I really wanted to try one, and I've been trying to place an order on Amazon, but it takes forever to ship. So this was the very last one at the Shoppers. Then these are Witchcraft Quickly Rapid Dry Drops. Now I used to use dry drops from Essence and they were really good. I really like them, but I have not been able to find them anywhere for like the past couple months. They must have discontinued it. So I saw this one and I figured we could give this one a try. This is it. I don't know how to use it. Press and turn. Broken? Oh no, there we go. Wait. Did I just break it? I think I just broke it. Okay, I don't know what I did. I think we broke it. it's fine. So, first thing that I like to go in with is this Essence Extreme Last Base Coat. Everything here, like, you'll see I'm using the Essence Top Coat and the Essence Nail Polish. Now, this is not sponsored, but these things are like each under $5 and they work so well. So we're just gonna go in. This one's pretty clear. You don't really have to worry about messiness or going over because it's clear. It won't even show. So we're just gonna go quickly. My nails have been so dry because I'm still working and I wash my hands all the time at work. Every time I come in contact with someone, which is like around 10-ish minutes, I wash my hands and my hands are just so dry. So that's another reason I got the cuticle oil. So if my hands look really dry, that's why. You start in the middle of your nails and you drag it to the sides of your nails. So I like to just do a line straight down my nails and then one on the left and then the right. I just recently started using a base coat. I never did before. I would just paint my nails, but I feel like it does actually help it last longer. Should I try the dry drops? I don't know. I'm a little sketched out with these. The other one had a nice little applicator too where you can put it. Okay, I brought you guys closer because we are now going to go in with the Essence Shine. Again, not sponsored, but I really love this light baby pink color. I really like the applicator as well because it's nice and thick. It's not a thin one. Hopefully I can do it on this angle because I don't do my nails like this. So like I said, in the middle, to the side, and to the side. You're probably going to have to do 3 coats. Again, we'll do this. Inside. So this is after 1 coat. The nails are still pretty transparent. So like I said, you will have to probably go in with 2 to 3 coats. I like doing 3. We're gonna try these drops. And I like using drops as well because it does even out the nail polish. So I find that when I did use these drops in the Essence one, it would smooth out the nail polish, not leaving it like streaky and like uneven. I was planning to like talk to you guys as I was doing my nails, but I just can't do that. I can't multitask. I'm very like focused when I'm doing my nails. I've teamed up with 2 companies and then I think I'm gonna buy another gift card for you guys. And I do want to keep this giveaway for my true subbies, you guys that watch my videos all the time, that aren't just gonna enter because it says giveaway. So honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna put giveaway in the title. It's gonna be more of like a hidden giveaway. I think that's how it's gonna work. You guys are gonna have no idea which video has the secret giveaways inside of them. You guys are just gonna have to watch the videos and then it'll randomly just be there. How I think it's gonna work right now is I'm gonna have the giveaway run each for a week. So the first time I announce the giveaway from that video's upload, you guys are gonna have a week to enter. After that, the video will cut off, the contest will close for that gift card. I won't announce the winner until my birthday. I will announce all the winners at the very end on my birthday. I will have a video and I will just announce the winners there. Oh wow, this dried really fast. Hold that thought, guys, and let's do number 2. I'm sorry if this is not the kind of video you guys wanted. To the 2 people that asked for this video. It's just hard. Like, this is freaking hard doing it on camera and on this angle, but just bear with me, guys. This is how I do my nails, which it's crazy to me that it's harder for me to sit down and do my nails like this because, to be honest, I usually do my nails in bed. I will balance my nail polish on my computer screen. I will have my computer like in front of me. I'll be sitting on my bed. Typically I'll be watching a show with my boyfriend and I'll literally just be sitting on my bed doing my nails. So the fact that this is harder for me and it's on a stable surface is kind of mind-blowing right now. While I'm in bed, I'll just use my knee for especially my thumb. You want to get like a good amount of polish. And what I do also is you dip it in. I like to just scrape off one side, so one side will have the nail polish on it and the other side will be like black. I like to start at the middle as well. That way sometimes the brush has just a little too much nail polish and it'll push over to the side. So if you start in the middle, you can even it out. I actually like these drops. The Essence ones were so much easier when you had the applicator, because I feel like I'm just squirting them out more than I need to, but this is the second coat. Alright guys, so I'm quickly gonna show you the last coat. Again, you're gonna want to do that. So I like to start, like I said, at the very tip, but not too close, because it will kind of like spread as soon as you make contact with your nail and you don't want it to overlap. Ta-da! Same thing with this one, not too close, and just drag it. And this is what they look like with the third coat. So let's talk about the giveaways again. So basically, as I was mentioning before, I'm going to do all those giveaways. They are going to be in different videos, but each giveaway will last a week. And you guys will have to enter, but will not know who won that giveaway, even though it will close. When I say the giveaway is over, like let's say a giveaway will run Sunday to Sunday, I will close the giveaway on Sunday. So if you do comment after Sunday when that giveaway is closed, you won't be entered. The way YouTube does it is it allows me to see the comments in order from who comments first to who comments last. So I'll be able to see who comments after that Sunday. So that's how I'm gonna run it. I am gonna pick the winners at the very end, like I mentioned. So closer to my birthday, which is May 31st, I will have all the winners and I will announce them at once. I will not announce each winner every week. It'll just be at the very end. I will announce all of you guys. Each video will have different rules and how to enter, because as I mentioned, I am working with different companies, and so some of these companies have specific things that they want me to make you guys do, but also I want to make these giveaways super simple so everybody can also enter. And it's going to be open internationally for absolutely anybody. As long as these stores that I am partnering with ship to your area, then you will be able to enter. But that's basically what I wanted to catch you guys up on. As you can see, again, this is how they look. I really wanted to do this. I hope you guys are excited and participate in the giveaways. Like I mentioned, they will be hidden in videos. I'm still thinking of how I want to do it, but I do want to have this giveaway for my true subbies. I don't want to have it for those people that just want to enter, see giveaway in the title, and then click on the video, enter, subscribe for a bit, and then unsubscribe. I want to give it to like you guys that have just been so supportive to me this whole YouTube journey, and holy shit, we're almost at 10,000. The time that I'm filming this, we are 2,500 subscribers away from 10,000. Get your friends to subscribe or tell people to subscribe. Like, help your girl hit 10K. I would appreciate that so much. I'm super excited. These companies that I'm doing giveaways with, trust me guys, you're gonna love them. And just shout out to all the companies that are working with me. If you guys are watching this right now, honestly, I was so scared to reach out to companies. I didn't want them to think that I was taking advantage, or that I just didn't want them to think that I was just asking for too much, or I was being greedy, or like they wouldn't want to partake in this. And I was like super scared, but one day I just did it and they were nice enough to agree. And one company donated $100 gift card, and like even the other company that donated $75 gift cards, like shout out to you guys. I didn't tell these companies how much I wanted. I kind of just left it out in the air for them to decide. Honestly, I was thinking like $25, $50, because I didn't want to ask for too much. But when I saw $100 and $75, your girl was shook. So that's why I came up with the idea to have increments. So the first week, I think it's going to be a $50 gift card, and then a $75 gift card, and a $100 gift card, but they are all for different stores. You are able to enter multiple weeks. There's just not going to be the same winner for 2 weeks. So you are able to enter all 3 times, and then at the end of it, I will just announce the winners for each week. But yes, you guys are going to be able to enter as many times as you want, and for all the weeks that you want. It is open internationally. As long as these companies do ship to your country, you are able to enter. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I wanted to say. This is what my nails ended up looking like. It is a super soft baby pink. I really like this color. Incredible. It lasts really long. It usually lasts me like about a week and a half to 2 weeks. It lasts me longer than the Essie. I think that's what it is, Essie nail polish. That's like $10 to $15-ish. So last step, I'm just gonna go in with the Extreme Shine Top Coat. Again, another one of my absolute favorites. And I like to stay between the same brand with like base coat, top coat, and nail polish, because I just find that they work better together. And I feel like that's what obviously they're made for. Companies will make the top coat and the base coat with the same kind of formula, or the formula they know works well with the products and chemicals and everything inside their nail polish, which is why I like to stick between the same brand. This one, pretty straightforward. If you guys mess it up, it's clear. It's not gonna show too much. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly update you guys. Well, not quickly, because this video is actually way longer than I thought, so I'm gonna have a lot of editing out to do. I feel like I rambled a lot in this video, and I don't know if you guys are just gonna watch a super long video of me doing my nails. Are they even focused? I can't even tell if these are in focus or not. I hope they are. And then lastly, I don't really know how cuticle oil works. Wash off oh, I was supposed to put this before we did the nail polish. I didn't know that. I thought at the end they always just put cuticle oil when you go to a nail salon. So I'm just gonna wait for these to dry and then just put some on top. I mean, I guess it won't hurt now that I put it after. Cuticle oil, you can just brush on your nails, right? I feel like you can just brush on the nails, on like the cuticle part, just to kind of hydrate them a little bit more. So we're just gonna brush them just around the edge. Oh, it has a super thin brush, if you guys can see that. It's like super thin. So we're just gonna brush them the very bottom for some hydration. Wow, this bottle is gonna last me such a long time because there's so much product in it. Ta-da! And that is how I do my nails. So this is how it turned out. This is the other hand. If you have any more questions, concerns, anything, leave them down in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Help me get closer to 10,000 subscribers. Like I mentioned, we are 2,500 subscribers away, so every subscriber counts, guys. Go hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up as well. Hope you guys are staying safe, enjoying quarantine, keep yourself occupied, and also if you guys are ever feeling alone, lonely, or having thoughts in your head that you should not be having, just remember that there are people that love you no matter what. You might not see that right now, you might feel lonely, but even if I can help in any way, just slide into my DMs. If you want a friend to talk to, I'm here for you guys. A bunch of you guys do always talk to me, and I love talking to you guys. You guys are so cute, so nice, and make me laugh, give me good suggestions. So shout out to you guys. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on the notifications as well. That way you guys can see every time a new video goes up, and you can see if that's one of the giveaway videos or if it's just another good video of mine. But I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!